Argumentative essay. The learning outcome of this lesson is that today we'll be discussing and highlighting the features of argumentative essay by reading a sample. In the last two videos, we have discussed structure, language, and tips and tricks to write down a perfect essay. So, in argumentative essay, you have to give your opinion and convince the reader on your point of view by giving logical and solid reasons and evidences. So, here the key points are that you have to be on your point by giving the logical and solid reasons and evidences. So, let's see how the writer has written. So, here is the topic. Some people say that the internet does more harm than good. What is your view? At first stage, you have to decide that whether you are in the favor of it or you are against it. We will start our essay with the introduction. So, in introduction, you have to give your thesis statement where the reader can be well aware of it that either you are against it or you are in the favor of it. So, let's read it out. To majority of teenagers and working adults, the internet has been regarded as one of the most innovative achievements of humankind. Since the invention of the internet, its pervasive and life-altering influence can be felt in many aspects of people's daily lives. While mostly beneficial in areas such as communication, trade, and research, the internet has also caused a proliferation of vices such as hacking. Despite the negativity associated with the internet, I strongly believe that internet does more good than harm. So note it down here that writer has given his thesis statement and it clearly shows that writer is in the favor of the topic. Now the second paragraph will be of counter argument. As we have already discussed that you in the main body you have to write down the 3 paragraphs. 2 paragraphs will contain the counter argument and the last paragraph will be of refusal counter argument. The internet is one of the key contributors to the global free trade. Now just notice the first line of it. Here the writer has clearly mentioned that now he is talking about the global free trade and the benefits of internet. So this is the topic sentence. When the transnational corporations want to open business in the other countries, they first have to contact partners in those countries before officially making a deal. In such case, the internet certainly does a great job. Furthermore, I have highlighted the furthermore here because this is the linking word and the linking word is used to maintain the continuity of the sentences. Furthermore, the internet is instrumental in reducing operation costs for business where employees can be easily hired from developing countries and work remotely from their native land. For example, now the writer has also given the example. Many transitional companies set up call centers in countries like Philippines or India where workers are cheaper to employ. The same benefits are applied to people's daily lives. With the presence of online shops, many people are able to save their precious time shopping. Instead, they have more time to do other important things such as helping their children do homework or having a short visit to their parents' house. So in this whole paragraph, the writer has shared his opinion with the evidences. So the second paragraph will also be of counter argument. Now let's come to the third paragraph, refusal counter argument. On the other hand, now the writer has used the contrasting word here. Contrasting linking word. On the other hand, objectors of the internet argue that it spoils the young generation by spreading violence. There is no doubt that many websites and violence videos are available online. But whether the young is spoiled by it depends on the young themselves. Owing to the continual warning of using the internet on many cyber education programs, the youths are supposed to know about all the boon and benefit of surfing webs. Thus, once they have heightened awareness, there is likelihood that they will not be attacked by cyber hackers. Moreover, there is a variety of information for the researches online. Instead of spending hours of flipping over hundreds of books in the libraries, one may easily obtain necessary documents within a second of mouse click. So he has shared other people's point of view who thought spoil the people. Now let's come to its conclusion. Similar to any other technological inventions, the internet has both pros and cons. Its benefit far outweigh its harms. Now here he has also mentioned his thesis statement, and it clearly shows that he is in the favor of it. With recent upgrading internet security software and substantial improvements on its use, I am firmly convinced that the internet is more a blessing than a curse. Now, keep one thing in mind, that he has avoided repetition. He hasn't repeated the same words again and again. He has shared his thesis statement in the last paragraph as well. So this was all about argumentative essay. I hope you will like it. Thank you.